Hey everyone, this is my shopping trip back from Homeland with member Coupon Princess Shannon Snow, little dynamic duo in action. We went to Homeland and was able to purchase different things. Everything you see here only cost me around $4. That's including tax. We have 3 packets of shredded cheese, cracker cuts, 5 packages of hot dogs, one over there. We have country crock butter, sour cream, ronzoni pasta, Kraft Easy Mac, Peter Pan, sausage roll, A1 steak sauce, chocolate milk, Cool Whip, Uncle Ben's rice, Ritz crackers, pickles, Hormel tamales, 3 jars of ragu sauce and burratoli sauce, some crackers, and some shampoo. And the only thing missing from here is one sausage roll, which accidentally got left out and ruined. That's what happens sometimes when you're in a hurry and you're shopping late at night. Homeland doubles up to $1, and they double 1 light coupon at a time. And sometimes you can find some really good deals, and sometimes the deals are scarce. You can check out our website at www.consumerqueen.com to find stores in your area. We post the sales for the stores, and then we match the coupons so that we do all the legwork for you. You can go online, find your store. If you don't see a store, you can contact us and we'll add the store for you. You can check out our contest online as well. We're giving lots of prizes away. That's consumerqueen.com.